With its historical canals, gondolas, and winding streets, Venice is considered one of the most romantic and most famous cities in the world. Venice is like a beautiful maze, where around every corner lies another picturesque square, street, or canal. The city is almost always on everyone's must-see list. It is a magical place. We started our journey from St. Lucia train station, which is the central railway station in Venice. We walk our ways to our apartment through beautiful canal bridges. If you are too tired of walking around, you can hop on and off a water bus. It costs €20 for 24 hours unlimited rides. In Midways, we had a typical Italian breakfast with delicious croissant and fresh cup of cappuccino. Our apartment was very close to Arsenal Port. On the right side across the water, you will see the San Giorgio Maggiore Island Church. The white church of San Giorgio Maggiore has very beautiful exteriors and interiors. You can easily reach to Ireland by using water bus. Next we explored one of the famous tourist attraction, famous square of Venice, Piazza San Marco. It is one of the most beautiful squares in the world. Napoleon called it the world's most beautiful drawing room. The most famous building in the piazza is St. Mark's Basilica. The church is absolutely stunning with colorful details and golden glittering. Although the entrance to the basilica is free, there are parts of the temple that required an entrance ticket. During the day, we tried some famous Italian pasta, pizza, and gelatos. There were so many gelato flavors. It was very hard to choose one. Out of all the things to do in Venice, the gondola ride is probably what people associate with the city the most. These typical long black boats have become a symbol for the city. The ride will take you through beautiful canals for 30 minutes. Gondola rides have standardized price at 80 to 100 euros. In the evening, we visited the Rialto Bridge. It is the oldest bridge across the canal and is renowned architectural and engineering achievement of Renaissance. From the bridge, you will get a beautiful view of Grand Canal and numerous restaurants, little shops of souvenirs. We ended our day by having famous Italian pizza. Next day, we visited the Lido di Venezia island. You can reach the Lido by using water taxi, then after an easy 10-minute walk to the beach. It was very beautiful beaches trip to Lido.
These two anniversary.
Needless to say, it wasn't enough time to discover all the best things to do in Venice. So as soon as our boat left the city, we knew we had to come back one day to explore this place again. Till then, ciao. See you next time.